Wait, I'm trying it.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm just hoping to get it out. Hang on.
Like,
I do. You guys gonna just stay over here?
yeah.
Miles, is that cool?
Dad,
Yeah.
what about this?
The thing is wild looking.
Only $110.
Yeah, it's definitely not my style. Definitely what's my style here. That's not too bad.
This?
Yeah, little birdies. Alright, I'll be back.
Oh, stops to do that. That doesn't work. Okay, trying to figure out.